What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Sean here. So in today's second video, I'm gonna show you BleachBit. So you all must be familiar with CCleaner. So CCleaner is a tool for cleaning your PC. So this tool was really famous for many years, but now they have introduced the premium version for it. And as you guys can see, the free version has very less features. So for that problem, BleachBit is an alternative for CCleaner. So we can download BleachBit for Windows. So we'll click this Windows icon, and then we'll click this installer exe, and then the download will start. Yeah, and then you can just open it and install it. Okay, so this is what BleachBit looks like after it's downloaded and installed, and this is the screen you see when you start BleachBit. So as you guys can see, there's a lot of options here, so I'll just minimize it. I'll minimize all of it to make it more easier to see. And now we'll start cleaning. So first we'll clear the system. We'll open the system, and then we'll clear the temporary files. We'll clear the caches, and then we'll clear the clipboard, and then we'll click here clean, and then we'll click delete, and then we'll clear. And as you guys can see, 23.8 MB has been cleared, and it's a really less amount. That's because only I've selected this much. If I had selected more, I could have cleaned more. So for this much, I cleared 23.8 MB. And now we'll check Google Chrome. So Google Chrome, I'll tick everything, and then they shows this option will delete your safe passwords. Okay, so I'll delete everything in Google Chrome, and I'll click clean. I'll click delete, and as you guys can see, in this 60.1 MB has been cleared. Now you can do this for whatever files you want for Firefox or I'll do Firefox also to show you guys. I'll click OK. Now I'll click clean. I'll click delete. Then that's okay. Yeah, it's clean. 50.4 MB. Now you guys can clean whatever you want. So I only clean this much, and only I got this much space. So if you clear more, you will get more space. So you can do it as you like. And that's all for today's video guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. This is Sean signing off.